Okay, class. It's your favorite boy, tech support, back with another video after a very long time. Okay, so I have a very good news, and that is your boy has AirPods Pro 2s. I'll be reviewing it soon in heavy tech. And if you're an Android user, of course, we have a video for you. It's called Kindly Leave. Yeah, so today I'm gonna teach you. Actually, I'm on an official Apple device. Even my official devices are Apple, yeah. That's how much I'm in love with this company. I have like 7,000 girlfriends, something like that, like a hose all over here. But yeah, let's just get to solving polynomials because I'd rather enter a polynomial than it's my bad. Okay, so look, I'm just gonna show you how you divide a binomial from a standard polynomial, like a quadratic polynomial. So quadratic polynomial is in the form of ax squared plus b x plus c, or it doesn't matter, it can be even a cubic function, doesn't matter because your boy is gonna teach you how to divide it today. Okay, it doesn't matter, this all of this stuff won't matter because how I'm gonna teach you today. Okay. Okay, so listen, I'm gonna show you an example on how you divide. Okay, and I'm going to explain through the example how the process works. Okay, so here's the first thing you're going to do. Watch. I'm just gonna write an example here. I'm going to divide x minus 1. I'm gonna not, what am I saying? Yeah, what is this bullshit? I'm going to divide x squared minus 2x plus 1 by x minus 1. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so first thing we do, right? And this is to make your life easier. I'm going to already add a minus symbol here. And now you might ask why? Well, basically, whenever I'm dividing something, right? Like say I'm dividing 106, no, 160. Let's say I'm dividing 144 by 12. Okay? Which is, I know it's 12, but like I'll just give an example. I'll first subtract 12 from here, right? So this subtraction we're also gonna do here. Because what is polynomial division? It is basic division, but instead of numbers, we have variables. It's a bit more different than that, and I'll explain how. Look, always and only way to divide them, not only, but the main way to divide them is basically you look at the first term you have here, right? In the, this is called the dividend, right? This thing is called the dividend, and this is called the divisor. So that's how we're gonna refer it to, okay? So the first term in the dividend is written in a standard polynomial form always, okay? What is a standard polynomial form? Basically, in polynomials, right, you have exponents, right? Like 2x squared, like x cubed, something like that, right? So a standard polynomial form basically means that the term with the highest power comes first, right? And the standard form, yes, basically that, there's not much to it. Basically, the higher the power, right? The highest power will go first in a standard polynomial form, and this is to make it easier for us to divide. Okay, I'm just gonna get straight to dividing. Okay, look, here's how it works. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to divide x squared by x. Okay, so the first term, the term to the extreme left of the dividend and the term to the extreme left of the divisor, I'm going to divide them. So I'm going to divide x squared by x, which I know is x, right? So what I'm going to do here, in the quotient box, I'm going to write x. So I can subtract x squared. Now, this is not all. Okay, remember, this is not all. We have a lot more to do, and I'll show you what we have more to do. Look, because I have put x in the quotient, right? What that means is I can't just say x square and start dividing again, right? I cannot just say, okay, now how many times is minus 2x go into x? I cannot do that. So what I need to do is I also need to divide this term, not sorry, not divide, multiply minus 1 with x. Do not divide, multiply the second term with the quotient. Okay, I'm going to multiply these two. I have to say it again and again because sometimes people like I've told them 100 times what to do and they still can't remember. Yeah. Yeah. So another way you can look at it actually is if you just do x minus 1 times x. Okay. Which will also give you the same result. So this is the this is the basic idea. Okay. And let's just subtract x minus 1 times x. So I get minus 1 times x is minus x, right? Now look, this x square and x square cancel out because it's subtraction here. But as you can see, it's minus 2x, right? Minus x. So you might be thinking, oh, this is minus 3x. You're wrong. Stop it. Commit suicide. Sorry, no. You are wrong, okay? And I'll tell you why you're wrong. Because there's a minus symbol here, right? And there is a minus symbol here. You are subtracting minus x. And minus minus become plus. Therefore, we are adding x to minus 2x. So minus 2x plus x is minus x plus 1 because I'm bringing this term down. Okay. Now I will repeat the process again. What is minus x divided by x? It's minus 1, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to write minus 1 here, right? And I'm also going to write a subtraction symbol here. Okay. And now I'm going to firstly multiply x with minus 1. So I get minus x. And then I'm going to multiply minus 1 with minus 1. So I get plus 1. This term cancels out. Therefore, your solution to this equation is x minus 1 times x minus 1. Okay? No matter what the exponent is, right? Say you're even starting from something like this. Let me just go into another and show you. Say you have like a very long exponent problem. This is not long, it's like smaller than average, but it's okay. Something like this, right? You will use the exact same method here. If I want to divide this by x, right? X or something like that, right? If I want to divide it, I will use the same procedure as I told you. Now, this is actually a very urgently made video, so I do not have time to explain everything. But in the future, like of 2 days, I will upload another tech video on my the new AirPods Pro 2s and the tech, and I'll upload a new video on this. Thank you. Okay, so okay, class. See you later. Bye bye.